Alrighty, all done. I'm pretty happy with that. Oh, gotta go pull down that. Use some bricklayer string to line them up. Eventually got the system sorted out where I stretched a bit of string across and made a little series of marks down the length and then peeled off the tape and stuck it up. Not 100% happy with how it looks. Like the first one, you can't really, it's one of those things you don't notice unless you made the mistake. But if you get right up close, you can see there's a bit of wonk to it. It sort of weaves back and forth as it goes down. Also, you can see it doesn't, I don't know if you can see the shadows to the side there. Because not all of the adhesive they sort of have a bit of a wrinkle to them sometimes. What I want to try to do is get some like pearlescent, like semi-transparent diffuser U-channel sort of stuff and stick it over the top and make it wide enough to try to mask the variation in the placement and also sort of diffuse the light a bit better. But I don't know. It's pretty good. Yeah, it took all day to do. So right now I've got to go around and bog up those holes, do a bit of touch-up paint, make it all look nice again. But yeah, so I'm just powering it at 12 volts on either end. Didn't have to do the mid-span injection of power. I can't see any variation of brightness across the length of it. I'll turn on the fluoros that were in here. So, doesn't really make that much of a difference. You can't really tell, the camera tries to make it nice for you. But yeah, that's perfectly serviceable, I feel. So I can get cracking building some more benches now that I've got some light in here. I can get stuff a bit more permanent. Okay, bye-bye.